Hello class 5 students, I hope you are all doing well. Today we are going to start with chapter that is Climate of India, and the main points are Climate of India, Seasons in India. Now let's start. Answer the following question. First, in which season do you like to wear woolen clothes? Second, in which season do you like to take cold drinks? Third, in which season do you wear a raincoat? Fourth, in which season leaves of trees fall down? You have to read these questions carefully and answer them accordingly. Now, climate of India. We have read the climate of a region is the average weather condition of that region for a long period of time, nearly 30 years. We know that our country has a big area, so we have different climate conditions in its different parts. Now, climate in different regions. The climate of different parts of India is different as it is affected by some factors like location, distance from the sea, altitude and physical features. Location. India lies in the northern hemisphere and the Tropic of Cancer passes through its center. The southern part of India is near the equator, so it is hot throughout the year. There is little difference in summer and winter temperatures. The northern part of India is away from the equator, so it has moderate temperature. There is much difference in summer and winter temperature. Distance from the sea. India has a long coastline. The coastal areas like Mumbai, Konkan Coast, Chennai and other experience a moderate climate due to the influence of the sea. But cities in the northern part of India such as Delhi, Lucknow, Chandigarh, etc. experience high temperature in summers and low temperature in winter as these places are not near a sea or ocean. Altitude. We know that temperature decreases when we go up. For this reason, tops of mountains or hill stations are cooler in summers also. For example, Shimla in Himachal Pradesh, Leh in Ladakh and Srinagar in Jammu and Kashmir are cooler than Delhi or Jaipur. Now, physical features. The Himalayas in the north of India prevent monsoon winds from going out of the country that causes precipitation in India. This precipitation is in the form of snowfall in Himalayas regions and rainfall in the rest of the country. The Himalayas also prevent cold winds from the north from entering India. Now, effects of climate on human life. The life of the people, their food habits, clothes, shelter and types of occupation depend on the climate of the region. Now, food habits. Rice grows well in the hot and wet climate of West Bengal, Bihar, etc. Fish is also available in rivers and coastal areas of West Bengal. So rice and fish are staple diet of the people in the West Bengal and the Bihar. Rice is also cultivated in good quantity in the moderate, wet climate of coastal areas. Fish is also available there. So, rice and fish are a staple diet of people in coastal areas of India also. In Rajasthan, millets grow in the absence of rain there. So, crops like bajra are popular in Rajasthan. Most part of Ladakh are covered with ice for most of the year. There is little or no vegetation in this region. People depend upon animals' meat for their food. Now, clothes. People live in the hot regions of South India like to wear loose cotton dresses, but in the cold regions of Ladakh, etc., people wear woolen clothes. Now, shelter. The roof and design of a house depends upon the climate condition of a region. For example, in areas of heavy rainfall or flood zone, like Assam and Meghalaya, stilt houses are made, which have sloping roofs. In areas of snowfall and rainfall like Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Goa and Kerala, houses have sloping roofs so that water or snow cannot collect on the roof. In hot and dry areas of Rajasthan, houses have thick walls and flat roofs that keep the house cool. Here you can see the picture, tilt house. Now, occupation. In the plains, agriculture is the most popular occupation of the people due to the fertile land and suitable climate for agriculture. In coastal areas, people do agriculture and fishing also, as fishing brings good income for them. In the winter season, people of Jammu and Kashmir stay inside the home because of very cold weather and make carpets and handicrafts. Animals rearing is the main occupation of people living in mountains as agriculture is not possible there. Here you can see rice growing in plains of Bihar. Now, seasons in India. There are 5 seasons in India: summer, rainy, winter, spring and autumn. Summers. It is a hot weather season in India. Days are longer and nights are shorter. Some part of the country, like the plains in North India, desert region of Rajasthan and Gujarat, and the plateau regions, experience very hot weather. Hot and dry winds called loo blow during the day. In plains of North India and in desert area. Dust storms are common in North India during the month of May, which lower the temperature and bring light rain also. The coastal areas have moderate temperature in all seasons. The mountain region is cooler in summers also. Here you can see tourists in Shimla during summer. Rainy season. In the rainy season, monsoon winds rising from the Bay of Bengal and the Arabian Sea brings rain to almost the whole area. The rate of rainfall, however, is not same in all parts of India. Some areas like Assam and Meghalaya get heavy rainfall, but some areas of Rajasthan get little or no rainfall in the world. India is mainly an agriculture country. A good monsoon gives a good crop production and brings happiness to the farmers. You can see picture of rainy season. Now, winter season. Winter is a cold weather season. It starts in November and continues till February. In this season, nights are longer than days. In South India, winter is not much cool because of the influence of the sea. In North India, there is extreme cold. The North India is cold in the winters also because it is far from the equator. On the other hand, the South India is near the equator. Here you can see the picture of people sitting near fire in the winter. Spring season. Spring season marks the end of the winter. The weather is pleasant. It is neither hot nor cold. New leaves are seen growing on plants and trees and flowers blooms. This season starts by the end of February and continues till March. Here you can see in the picture flowering during spring in India. Now, autumn season. We see falling of leaves during the autumn. It starts in October and continues for a month or more till the beginning of the winter. The winter is cool and pleasant. Here you can see the picture of autumn in Srinagar. Now, valued fact. In desert of Rajasthan, nights of winter have very low temperature. Awesome fact. People in hill station enjoy snowfall. Now, let's learn new words. Precipitation, rainfall or snowfall. Stilt, long piece of wood used as pillars to make platform on which a house is built in flooded areas. Sloping, inclined. Now, let's remember, India is a big country, so we have different climatic conditions in different parts. India's location, distance from the sea, altitude of different places and physical features affect the climatic places and physical features affect the climatic conditions of different parts of India. A great variation in climate affects the life of people in India. People living in the different parts of the India have different food habits, clothes, shelter type, occupation. Summers, rainy, winter, spring and autumn are the different seasons of India. I hope you all like this session. Now we will meet in the next class. Till then, bye-bye.